Looking for a keyboard that delivers professional-grade performance without compromise? The RomerG mechanical switch is engineered for gamers and everyday users who demand responsiveness and durability. Its precise design ensures every keystroke registers instantly, giving you the edge whether you're working late or gaming into the night. What sets this keyboard apart is its clean, red backlighting that shines through each keycap. The lighting is bright enough to keep your keys visible but subtle enough not to distract you during intense sessions. Even if you're not a gamer, this feature adds a sleek look while improving usability in low-light environments. One thoughtful detail is the additional USB cable that powers the USB pass-through port. This means you get full power and data speed for connected devices, whether you're charging your phone or plugging in a mouse. It's convenience designed to keep you focused and connected without missing a beat. The keyboard's full-function keys give you quick access to volume controls, media playback, lighting toggles, and even a game mode. These handy shortcuts keep you in control without fumbling through menus, making your workflow or gameplay smoother and more efficient. Built with a brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top case, this keyboard combines durability with a minimalist design. It's sturdy and substantial, offering stability that prevents sliding or wobbling, even during fast-paced typing or gaming. That solid feel is something you'll notice from the first use. One user from the U.S. shared their experience, highlighting comfort and practicality. Not a gamer or touch typist, they appreciated the red backlight and the sideways-mounted feet that allow easy angle adjustments without the keyboard tipping over. For anyone who moves their keyboard frequently, this small feature makes a big difference. If you want a keyboard that balances style, function, and reliability, the RomerG mechanical keyboard is worth considering. It's designed to keep keys visible, your devices powered, and your hands comfortable through hours of use. If that's you, take a closer look at what this keyboard offers. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a device built for precision, power, and everyday comfort.